The Honeywell Designer Series HEPA Tower Air Purifier with UltraQuiet technology delivers proven HEPA performance to establish a comfortable breathing environment. This Designer Series air purifier comes equipped with a VOC sensor and air quality indicator. The VOC sensor detects the level of VOCs in a room, and the air quality indicator illuminates the floor below the unit with either green, yellow, or red to help you identify the room's air quality at a glance. Green signifies there's a low level of VOCs, yellow shows a moderate level, and red lets you know there is an elevated level of VOCs in the surrounding area, resulting in poor air quality. This air purifier is independently tested and AHAM verified to circulate and filter room air up to 4.8 times per hour in a 190 square foot room, making it perfect for medium to large sized rooms. On the top of the unit, you'll find the easy-to-use touch control panel, which includes 3 cleaning levels to choose from: automatic cleaning mode, sleep mode light dimmer, and filter check reset lights. In the center is the essential oils tray. The Honeywell Designer Series uses certified HEPA filters to help capture airborne particles such as dust, smoke, pollen, pet dander, and mold spores. The Honeywell Filter J HEPA filter uses a unique 360-degree design to capture up to 99.97% of airborne particles at 0.3 microns or larger from the air that passes through the filter. The additional activated carbon pre-filter helps to capture larger airborne particles to reduce odors and VOCs. Compatible does not mean comparable. For the best performance, use only genuine Honeywell air purifier filters. Compatible air purifier filter replacements are not guaranteed to offer the same performance or efficiency. All genuine Honeywell filters can be found at honeywellstore.com. For the best performance, it's recommended you replace your HEPA filters once every year and pre-filters every 3 months. With a subscription to the Honeywell filter of your choice at honeywellstore.com, you can take the guesswork out of when you should order a new filter. This way, you'll always have cleaner, fresher air to breathe without the hassle of ordering new filters yourself. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.